Hello friends, in continuation with the series on step-by-step process of IVF, today let's understand the most important step, fertilization and embryo culture. A very good afternoon, I am Dr. Prachi Benara, consultant fertility and IVF. So what is fertilization? What is embryo culture? Friends, it's very important to understand that the most important part of an IVF cycle is the embryology lab. An embryologist and the embryology lab should be a perfect combination of skill and science and technology. With this combination, we actually mimic what is happening inside the female womb and fallopian tube to what is happening in the embryology lab. So आइए समझते हैं fertilization क्या होता है. So on the day of egg retrieval, the eggs or the follicular fluid is handed over to the embryologist who sees under a microscope and tells us how many eggs have actually been retrieved. इन अंडों को 2 घंटे के लिए एक कल्चर मीडियम में छोड़ दिया जाता है. Now at the very same time, the male partner is requested to hand over his semen sample. For semen collection, it is essential that you have an abstinence of minimum 2 to maximum 7 days. Now, when the semen sample is handed over to the andrology lab, the andrologist does the semen preparation with the help of double density method. Then, under a microscope, the best quality sperm is selected through the prepared semen sample. 2 घंटे के बाद जो हमारा oocyte cumulus complex होता है, उसको denude किया जाता है, यानी कि cumulus cells और granulosa cells separate करके egg को अलग से हटा दिया जाता है. Then, the process of ICSI or conventional IVF is done. ICSI was invented in 1994. The fertilization rate after ICSI, which is intracytoplasmic sperm injection, is almost 80 to 100%. On the contrary, conventional IVF has a success rate of 60 to 80%. If the semen parameters are okay, यानी कि मेल पार्टनर का काउंट, मोटिलिटी और स्पर्म मॉर्फोलॉजी नॉर्मल है, तो एम्ब्रियोलॉजिस्ट आपके साथ कन्वेंशनल आईवीएफ भी कर सकते हैं. अगर मेल पैरामीटर जरा सा भी ऊपर नीचे है तो ऑल द एम्ब्रियोलॉजिस्ट प्रेफर डूइंग ICSI. ICSI या आईवीएफ के 18 घंटे बाद हम फर्टिलाइजेशन की जांच करते हैं, यानी कि how well the genetic material of the egg has hugged the genetic material of the sperm. Then the embryo is grown in the lab for 3 to 5 days at maximum. In the lab, we can see perfect division of the embryos from 2 cell stage to 4 cell to 8 cell and then to multiple cell stage. On day 5, which is the maximum capacity of the embryology lab to hold the embryo, either we do the embryo transfer or freeze these embryos in liquid nitrogen for future use. So fertilization is a perfect combination of skill and technology. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि कल्चर मीडिया का टेम्परेचर, pH और उसकी क्वालिटी, IVF लैब का पार्टिकल काउंट, एयर क्वालिटी, filters are appropriate to achieve a fertilization rate of 70 to 100%. So, we are trying to mimic what nature does naturally. Thus, you can all imagine what is the importance of a perfect IVF lab and a perfect embryologist in the success rate of an IVF cycle. Thank you friends for hearing so patiently. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment box and stay tuned for the next session on embryo transfer, whether fresh or frozen. Thank you.